What's up, everybody? It's Cash Flow Nexus, your favorite chart analyst, back again, giving you the latest and greatest updates on the financial markets. And today we will be taking a closer look at Tezos. And if you are new to this channel, you like what you see and hear, and feel compelled to sub, hit the subscribe button and the bell for notification on future content. That being said, let's jump right into it. With today's list, we will be starting off with scripture. God comes first on this channel, as you already know. Second will be a subscriber shout out. And number 3, we will have technical analysis on Tezos. All right, so today's scripture, we are coming out of Matthew 5:16. Let your light so shine before men that they may see your good works and glorify your Father which is in heaven. Ding, ding, ding. So that being said, know that you are always a representation of being Christ-like in this world, whether you are in season or out of season. So when we are doing good deeds, are you doing it to glorify yourself, or are you doing it to glorify the kingdom of heaven and represent God? So that's one thing we need to keep in mind when we are doing good deeds and good works for people, and not just good works for people, but good works in your walk in life in general. All right. So subscriber shout out goes to Fit Movement TV. Thank you for subscribing and showing my channel some love. You are amazing. This is my first time seeing your comment in my video, so I just wanted to let you know I recognize your comment. So thank you. So that being said, let's jump into this analysis. What I do see so far, I see that price is far away from Kijinsen and it's flat, so that lets me know that momentum, it has stopped. So we may range in this box here between these two blue levels, and we finally did hit our second level of taking profit, so that's awesome. I do see a dark future cloud here, so that's letting us know that price may want to go to the downside, so that's something to look out for. Before we even get that, we may get a pullback to these levels here. Throwing Fibonacci on the time. Let's throw some Fibonacci on here. From this high point to here. Our 50% range will be here. So these are levels that I would look at price potentially even pulling back to. So let's see. Let's go ahead and take off Fibonacci. So voila, boom. These are areas that I would definitely look at taking profit if it does continue to the upside. Now let's take a look lower. What I do notice here, we did get a bullish TK cross. Chiku span is underneath price, so this is not a bullish move yet. This is what I'm concerned with right now, is this candle right here. It's telling us it's a hanging man pattern, saying that price wants to move lower to the downside. And you could also call it a shooting star pattern. So this is what I'm worried about. I'm not going to trade this just yet. If anything, I will box this zone up and move it over and possibly trade it on the lower time frames, as you can see here. And it's not really pretty on the lower time frames. I don't know why it looks so sporadic. You see that it jumps so much on these lower time frames. Looking at it on the hour, it looks a little bit cleaner. So I wouldn't trade this until we get a break outside this box. And then once we get a break outside this box, that will let us know what the clear direction of the market potentially will be. And you see here on the hour time frame that price is far away from Kijinsen right here. We do have the signal line on the RCI coming down, so it's saying to sell it right now, and that would make sense because we are at a resistance in this area. So price may look like it want to come down. Looking at the RCI on the 4-hour time frame, let's take a look. It looks like momentum wants to come up, but right here you see that it's above the positive 70 line up here. So we will watch this carefully to see if it wants to come down and push prices lower. As you could see, price has been staying low. Trend has been low for a while underneath this negative 70 line. If we look at it on the daily as well, let's see what's going on there. we see that it's starting to lose momentum and come down. So bias right now is for it to move to the downside. If it does correct, these are the levels that I would see taking profit. We do have this dark cloud here, so I would look to take profits. Let's see. My chart comes back. I will look to take profit around these areas down in here. So once price breaks outside the cloud, that's when I will start being a little bit more bearish. But right now it's a 50-50 trade. I wouldn't take this just yet, just to play it safe. I'm sticking with my original strategy off the 4-hour time frame, boxing this zone up and waiting for a price to break outside this box. That being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this analysis. It was sweet and short. Hope you got a lesson out of this message in scripture today, and I hope you guys stay tuned for the next video. God bless you guys, and peace.